controls, settings. Scroll down till you see suspension, click it, and as you can see, I have it in tire jack mode. You can turn it off or on. So, pretty simple. These are 7mm Allens. Work these loose here. Just put that in there and then stick a ratchet wrench on that. Get a screwdriver, push in there, pull out on it. You don't want to lose it. Pull the caliper off. There's the pad. Got those all cleaned up. The caliper should go in easy. You want to make sure your dust boot's not caught up and going to get pinched or anything. Grease on the piston. A little bit on these prongs. Any of these contact points, you want to grease them. Make sure your brake line's not twisted or anything like that. Line these pins up, push them back in. Snug those up. Pop these dust caps back on. Put the anti-rattle clip back in place. Sometimes it's easier said than done. This. There we go. Push it into here, click, pull out on it. And that's it for the rear. All right, now for the front. Pop these dust boots off. If I can talk right today. Pop them off, set them to the side. And this is a 11mm. Yeah. Careful with the wire. Caliper set up here. Hang your caliper till this will fit. There we go. Flip the switch. Push it in nice and easy. I can feel this one going in. And we're in. Pop the old pad out. Wow. That one broke off in there. Oh yeah. And you can see, come right off the back of it. Grease the caliper pistons. So hopefully none of that rust crap happens again in there. It shouldn't, not with all this grease in it. Grease all your contact points. And then down here, grease that where the pads sit in the groove. Push these back in. I didn't grease the tabs on the pads because I done the inside of the piston, so. And these are pretty snug fit. Alright, hopefully you can see everything good. Take the caliper, put it back up in place here. Push that guide pin back in to get it started. Now time for the anti-rattle clip. These things are pretty stout. They like to fly back out at you. There's a groove right here, you gotta get it to go in. There we go. Same thing with this one down here at the bottom. Usually what I do is this. Works pretty good. In there. Yep. And that's it for the anti-rattle clip.